Okay, so for those of you who are subscribed to this channel or may have been subscribed to this channel for many years, first of all, I don't know what you're doing here because this channel is a complete smorgasbord and there's no consistency to it at all. But anyway, I thought it was kind of interesting. I was looking at my channel and some of my older videos, and I had, back when I was 17, I'm 24 now, I had a video of me demonstrating my remote start in my Saturn. And I actually had a video of me unboxing that Bulldog remote starter. Well, 7 years later here, I still have that remote starter and it still works great. And I installed it in another vehicle. Now the key fob has seen better days. The stop button is missing, fell out, and it still will work if you take a pad or something and push it on the button in there. But in order to prevent water from getting there, just put hot glue and tape, and you can actually buy these replacements for like 10 bucks, and I could program it. But anyway, the start button works. So unlike with my Saturn, I actually installed this one correctly and ran the tack wire the way you're supposed to, so it actually stops starting when it's done starting. But I just kind of wanted to demonstrate that these are really reliable kits. I ran for a while in my Saturn. I actually crashed that car, took it out, and it works great in this truck too. I've had no issues. So here, check it out. Yeah, see? Doesn't overcrank. We'll come inside, I'll show you some of the features. A little bit. 7 years of my video making skills. Good, my crappy Dodge Ram here. It's a manual transmission, but it used to be an automatic, so there's no like safety switch. So if you park it in gear, it will actually, you know, it won't be good. So you got to put the key in. If you turn the wheel, it'll just lock, and if you hit the brake, it'll shut off. So you'll see the remote starter, it keeps on the parking lights, and as soon as you hit the brake, you'll hear it click and the lights will go out, and now it's out. And then if you want to take the keys out, look at that, and now if you hit the brake, the engine will shut off. So there you go. 7 years strong. This remote starter has seen 2 vehicles now. All right, thanks for watching another random How Can Channel video. We'll see you next time.